Yo, good morning, fam. All right, Apple looks crazy. The market pumped. So if the SPY breaks 735 bullish, oh my god, dude, I knew I should have bought calls in the right here, bro. I didn't fucking do it, bro, because this dump was too much. I knew we were gonna get a 50% retracement back up, and that's about where we're at right now. 50% of this dump is retraced. Bro, if I would have bought a call last 15 minutes of the man, dude. Market's open. Market's open. If AMC holds 275, pump. If SPY recovers, AMC pump. Trying to see if Apple can break back above 33650. If it does, bullish. Trying to see if SPY can hold 735. Now had a double top. This looks like a bear flag, though. This looks just like a bear flag, bro. Do not trust this job. They're just trying to rope in liquidity, bro. Danny Lamb already two-piece.
NVTS and QQQ check, please.
Let's check it on MVTS. Almost there, bro. So you just need to break back above $11. You're almost there. Almost, bro. Nice little double bottom forming if you can get back above 11. You're almost there, dude. You only have to go up a little bit higher, and then the bottom's in. So you might actually get the bottom of this stock, bro. You might actually get the bottom, especially if you buy down here. This is a double bottom. This is actually starting to look like a really good play. Apple and Amazon earnings today. Yeah, so just watch for a break and hold of 11. Microsoft exploded yesterday. It's up 15%. Can you imagine if Apple or Amazon does that and you play a call option? Dude, look at this. Dude, you made thousands and thousands. AMC pulling back. Oh no, Amy pulling back, rejection. So this is what I talked about in yesterday's video. That we would pull back. I fucking knew it, bro. Good morning, chat. Oh no. Oh no, he said the word, chat. Damn, QQQ's up 2%, bro. I'm scared to play calls, though. Yo, thank you for Vicious Uno for the cheers, bro. That really, really, really helps out. Especially on Twitch, bro. I really appreciate that. That's amazing, dude. Thank you. Looks like SPY's going to reject from 735. Damn, we just got a 5-piece
Now looks like it's in a bull
Geek.
flag from yesterday's close, bro. _ape.
Bull flag. Now looks like it's in a bull flag. No, bro. Nah, that's not a bull flag, bro. That's a double top. Top 1, top 2. And this pole is way too short. And this downtrend is way too long. I'm waiting for now to break back above 112.50 before I enter. Because it could easily come down to 108 or 106. So if I'm going to go long now, I'm waiting for a break and hold of 112.50. Thank you for the 5-piece. Yeah, wait for a break of the levels, bro, before you go in. Not financial advice. Now it's going to be coming down a little bit. Yo, thank you guys for showing love right away in the morning. I really appreciate that. Yippee! It really does mean a lot. So thank you. Got a 5-piece, got some cheers. Yeah, see, this is a bear flag. I might as well do the put on IWM right now. Put printing, IWM, put printing. Spy's trying to hang on to 735 though. Let's see if Amy can stay above 260, 265. If not, we're coming down to 250, boys. This is what we talked about. Hopefully you took profits up here. People asked me if I bought back in yesterday. Nope. I did not because I'm waiting for the right time to buy. Spy hanging on here. Very interesting behavior here from Spy. We could be going bullish. Yeah, I'm waiting for Apple. Wait for Apple. Wait for it to break above certain levels before you go in. Might be a good dip buy on Apple. A little bit of a gap fill to the upside on Apple as well. Spy holding, Spy holding. Now coming down as expected. Now coming down as expected. If now breaks back above 112, I'm going long. If Apple breaks above 33250, possible bullishness happening. SPY trying to go bullish. SPY trying to go bullish. This is big. Oh my God. Options premium. Just did a quick SPY flip. Just did a quick SPY flip. We're up 6% on the day. Just top tick SPY. Beast. Just top tick SPY. Beast. Oh my God! Let's go! Oh my God. $50 gifted Kai Supreme, dude. Today is wild. Yo, QQQ going for the gap fill. QQQ going for the gap fill. Yo, Kai Supreme just dropped a 50 gifted. Please hype in the chat for Kai Supreme. Kai Supreme, thank you so much, bro. You just helped me a lot, bro. Thank you. Lots of love right in the morning. You gotta love it. Top of the morning indeed, bro. Top of the morning indeed. 50 gifted, boys and girls. We just did a quick spy flip. Yo, Kai Supreme with the 50 gifted, bro. And he just recently dropped a 100 bomb. Kai Supreme is showing, like, insane love. Yo, QQQ going for Gatfield. QQQ going for Gatfield. This is crazy. This is like the old days. Bullish, bullish. Dude, how much is a 50 gifted, bro? He's insane. Yo, Spy is rocketing. QQQ's going for the gap. It's filling the gap. We probably won't just you till afternoon. Thank you so much, Kai Supreme. Okay, QQQ filled the gap, so it's probably going to pull back now. So 50 people just got memberships. If you're one of them, please thank Kai Supreme. And let's get some hype in the chat. What happened to the fam? Get some hype in the chat. GDP came out bad, but PCE came out good. That's why we're bullish. PCE is better, more important than GDP. GDP didn't come out horrible, but it came out pretty bad. $50 gifted, guys. $50 gifted. Hype in the chat. $50 gifted is massive. Bro, SPY's up 1%. If you bought calls yesterday, you're up so much. If SPY holds 735, bullish. So we're going to see if it stays above it. 50 new members is huge, bro. What the heck? Can SPY keep going? If oil's down, SPY might be able to keep going. Oil's down a little bit. This could be a pretty bullish day. If you got gifted, please thank Kai Supreme, dude. He dropped 100 bombs this week. Just dropped a 50 gifted. Bro must have made some money. Amazon rallying before earnings, dude. Amazon looks like a perfect play, bro. Amazon's ripping. Oh my God, options for Amazon are $700. Damn, I know this thing's gonna pump. Amazon's pumping, dude. It looks perfect for a breakout. I knew it yesterday, bro. This is a double bottom. Like, Amazon's gonna rip, bro. Amazon's finna rip. GameStop coming back as expected. Bro, if SPY starts breaking these levels, we're gonna go crazy. Damn, can SPY just keep going? RSI's too hot, or I would go long again. Oh my God, SPY's ripping. What the fuck? RSI is way overbought. Oh my God, QQQ. Yo. QQQ's full bottoming. Yo, SPY won't stop. I'm looking for an entry, but I can't find one. Yeah, NVTS might be bottoming, bro. NVTS might be full bottoming. It looks like a good play. They only want $100 for an 8-day call. If RSI wasn't so overbought, I would buy right now. Market is ripping. Everything. Dude, I cannot believe Kai Supreme did a 50 gifted. Dude, if I had more money, I would buy NVTS just because. It's only $100 for an 8-day call, bro. Like, you're going to make money off of that. Especially with this double bottom and this break. Kai Supreme, chill, bro. You're insane.
Eyes emoji.
Kai Supreme, bro. You the man, dude. Oh my God. QQQ is going insane. Bro, QQQ calls dated for tomorrow, $500. Yo, SPY's at 739 almost. As soon as we pull back, bro, I'm going to try to find an entry. Amy's coming back. Amy's coming back stupid. Amy's coming back stupid. What a day, baby. I told you it'd be wild today, boys. I told you it'd be wild today. What a day. So if now can break back above this trend line, I'll consider going long. We just broke the uptrend. We just broke it. I wanted to play QQQ, but this is insane. I want to play QQQ. I want to make some big money. I'm waiting for a pullback before I do anything. This is RSI is too high. It's at 91 on the 5-minute time frame. It's not going to keep going. Semiconductors are coming back stupid. All right, we have to be careful. This could be a retest for downside on AMC. And SPY's about to pull back. SPY's about to pull back. IWM's about to pull back. Everything's about to pull back. Yes, NVTS is going to pull back some too. Yeah, Amy's bearish, guys. I hate to be the bearer of bearish news, but I'm trying to tell you guys to take profits. Nobody will listen, dude. Some of you guys are kind of stubborn. I know you feel like Amy's gonna explode and this and that, but I'm trying to tell you guys, bro, it's just take profits and come back in, dude. I'm the guy who told you we're going back to 272. Okay? It's not like I'm bearish or I'm a bear on AMC. Now I'm the guy who's telling you AMC is going to pull back. You have to just either trust and listen or do your own thing. But guys, you got to start securing a bag. Start securing profits, please. Stop holding the bag and start securing the bag. Secure some profit. I have to teach some of you guys to stop holding bags because you're so used to holding bags from just buying and holding. It's time to trade. It's time to make money. It's no longer time to buy and hold. That was 2021. That was 2020. Now it's time to trade. That was 5 years ago. It's time to trade now. In and out. Cash position at the end of the day. The whole market looks like it's in a bear flag. Intel's up 10%. Holy smokes. SPY tracking perfectly. SPY tracking perfectly. I said SPY was going to gap up because this dump was too stupid. I'm already done for the day. That's how you do it, bro. That's how you do it. Make your money and be done. Discipline. Control. In and out. Do not hold the bag. Secure the bag. I mean, I'm not saying it's not possible that AMC can't go back up, but guys, this is looking more and more bearish by the second. If you are bullish on AMC, though, we got to see a clean break of 275. And remember, sometimes stocks go up just so they can go down. So this 285 pop could just be a retest of liquidity to the upside, and then we come down. Now, if we can break 275, I did give you guys two different scenarios, but I told you guys which scenario I think is going to happen, and we already pretty much are following my scenario now. We already came down to 262, and I said we're going to come down to 260, 265. When is AMC dilution? I don't think AMC has dilution. AMD went crazy too because the chip sector's going nuts. AMD's up 12%. What? No wonder QQQ's ripping. The market's coming back, bro. Oh my God. All right, this could be a head and shoulders forming on SPY. You have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. AA said last dilution 45 days or 100% gain. He said 45 days lockup period, that there's no more dilution for 45 days. That's already over. I will tell you what, though, if AMC can break back above 270, we could still be back in the game. I don't think there's any dilution. I would know about something like that. I could be wrong, but I would know. I would know about something like that. All right, so we got some cheers today. We got 50 brand new members, so I feel like the stream's complete. Like, if we could just get like a subscriber on Twitch and maybe like some new subscribers on YouTube, I feel like today would be complete. 50 brand new members, super chats, 45 likes. Like, I'm happy with that. I'm happy. Very, very good day so far. If I can just have a green day, maybe get one new subscriber on YouTube, one new subscriber on Twitch, I'm going to be in really good shape. We are up 23 bucks, but that could change. And I did take out $30 from the account and put it into my savings, which I'm then going to That paid for my green for today. Head and Shoulders on SPY. Well, you can just easily type in AMC at the market offering. Bro, I don't think there's any dilution, bro. AMC has not announced a new at-the-market offering. And it shows you the two that happened, the 150 million at-the-market offering and then the 200 million debt collection. Or debt restructuring. There's no more dilution, bro. AMC's trying to come back a little bit. Need to see a clean break above 270. AMC's trying to hold on, boys. AMC's trying to hold on. And if SPY keeps going, Amy will definitely recover. Come on, baby. I might buy one AMC contract. Just one. I might buy one AMC contract. There's a chance we can make it still. There's a chance we can still make it. We're losing momentum, but there's a chance we could pop a little bit higher. We're definitely losing momentum, though. That's the problem. We're flattening out. That's the problem. You see how we rallied up parabolic? Now we're flattening out. And you see how the MACD is going red? The bands are tight. So it could get ugly fast. It could get ugly fast, dude. I'm just going to hold off because it's not even worth it. You'd have to buy like 10 contracts. It's not even worth it. I'm going to wait for Amy to drop and then I'll buy. It's not worth it. It's not worth the risk. Because all it would take for Amy to lose, if Amy loses 265, 267, it's going to dump. And if we break 275, it could get a small pop to like 285, 290, but then it's going to pull back. Spy's about to pull back. Spy's about to pull back. QQQ is strong today. I'm looking for a possible QQQ play, but I need a pullback. I might have to stick with Spy because QQQ options are too expensive. Yeah, that's another thing. Adam Aaron doesn't just announce dilution. Just bought 2,449 more shares. Bro's stacking. I'm putting my money on my fellow apes. Ooh, get ready for Apple, baby. How much is an Apple call? I'm scared to play Apple in the earnings, but what if it pumped? The only thing I'm scared about is it's rallied so hard already that the chances of it rallying for earnings are like slim to none. But a one-day call option's $555. A 4-day $600. Did I transfer the money? Yo, this is crazy. Amy's definitely trying, dude. If Spy stays this bullish, Amy definitely has a chance. Need a clean break of 275. Amy's trying to come back, y'all. Spy looks like it wants to just pump, dude. And QQQ's up almost 3%. That's mad. That's insane. I don't know if it can keep going or not, dude. This is wild. QQQ's up 3%. That's massive. We're up 22% on AMC shares. 22%. Yo, the market doesn't want to stop. Nick, Mr. Poots, what up? Geeko Gadgets. All right, now it's coming down to those price targets we talked about, 106. If now holds 105, it's a buy. AMC's trying to come back, full comeback, dude. AMC could pop today, dude, if it breaks 275. If AMC can get green MACD 10-minute time frame, I'll consider going long. Yo, QQQ hit 683, bro. QQQ's a monster. Yeah, so if AMC can break above 272 and get green MACD 10-minute time frame, I'm probably going to go long because we're going to get a pop today, it looks like. Is there a way to see transfers that you made? Oh no, Spy's double topping. I need to know if I made this transfer or not. This is irritating me. How do I know? Come on, dude. Okay, I made the transfer. Okay. I was wondering how I had so much money. I guess I just made trades. All right. All right, so now we're just waiting for green MACD. You know what? I want a little bit more confirmation, but if Amy can break 272, I'm going to go long on a contract. I might go long on a contract dated for September. I want to see green MACD 10-minute time frame. And I want to see it back above 270, 272. And I might consider going long on a contract dated for December. I'm going to wait, though, because this is looking bearish on the bigger time frames. So I'm going to wait until we break above key levels. I really want to wait until we break 275, but if I get it dated for December, even if we draw down, I should be okay. SPY looks like it could pump, man. I know it's pumped a lot already, but it looks like it could pump more. QQQ's been doing nothing but going up all day. Wait, can you guys see? Why does it say the audio? Can you guys hear and see? Yo, Spy might go for 740, bro. Amy's trying to flip bullish on the 3-minute time frame, bro. If we break 272, we're gonna do this. Spy's trying to hold 739. This is big. Buy 3, I'll pay you. No more dilution for the next year, according to the annual. Bro, somebody, I have to wait till tomorrow. Bro, somebody said if I buy AMC. If I buy AMC. I said, bro, I can't do that, bro. I can't do that, bro. I said I can't do that. Damn, Spy pulled it back. I FOMO'd in and bought a call. I'm trapped like a rat. I knew I should have waited for the pullback, bro. I got impatient. Dude, emotions get me sometimes still, dude. I've been trading so good, bro. I FOMO'd in. I knew to wait for a more substantial pullback to 735. Wait, bro. I knew it. I knew to wait for the retest of 735. I FOMO'd in, dude. And now also is about to bounce stupid. All right, look. Now stock. Oh my God. I was in the green too. I could have cashed out. I wasn't paying attention. Oh my God. I was in the green. I didn't pay attention. Now I'm down 50. Oh my God. I knew to exit too and re-enter. Because this position is bad. I'm going to be trapped at the top here on SPY. AMC's pulling back a little bit. This was what I was worried about, boys. This is what I was worried about. The macro's looking bearish. Like the 2 hour, the 1 hour looks bearish on AMC. I was going to play now for a quick flip too. Damn, bro. I sure hope SPY comes back. I knew to wait for the 735 retest, dude. This is a double top. Ugh. Disappointed in myself on that one. I've been doing so good. It's all right. We all make mistakes. FOMO got me, dude. I gotta put these emotions to the side. Gotta stay logical. FOMO got me, man. I knew to wait. RSI was overbought. I saw the double top. I knew to wait for the 735 retest. I even said it. Very disappointed in myself. Very disappointed. I'm not, it's like a parent. I'm not mad. I'm disappointed. Very disappointed in myself on that one. Okay, so let's just relax. The call's dated for tomorrow. Maybe we'll be okay. But this is a very bad position to be in, for sure. Let's just relax. Damn it, bro. Freaking FOMO got me. Like a noob FOMO. You have to just not care about missing out. That's how you stop that. Tesla looks like it wants to recover, and also SpaceX looks good. SpaceX looks like it wants to recover a little bit. Dude. Cannot believe I've FOMO'd into the spy. Your boy FOMO'd into the spy. I needed to go back to 739 or I'm fucking cooked. I think it's going to come down for a 735 retest. I even have the prediction right here. I don't know what I was thinking. I hate when I do that. I even had the prediction for SPY coming down right here, bro. I'm hoping it comes in retest 735 and bounces. If it does, I have a chance. But I wanted to buy back in at 735. I wanted to wait for a pullback and then buy. Now I maybe bought the top. I'm hoping we get a nice bounce off 735 and then we go for 740 retest and then I'll be able to make some money, but not a good position to be in. And then Amy's might be flipping bearish. We have to just be careful. Bro, you knew to wait. I'm down like 100. You dumb. Hey, we still got 50 gifted for Kai Supreme. It doesn't matter. Today is a good day no matter what. I just wish I didn't do that, bro. I don't know what I was thinking. I knew to wait for the 735 retest. And if we lose 735, it's going to dump. At least you have one day. Yeah, don't hold overnight. Either way, I'm like 0 for 7 on that. Yeah, it's all bad, boys. It's all bad. And there's a potential sign of bearishness. Giant bear flag, IWM. So we might be coming down bad. Hopefully we get the 735 bounce like I'm thinking, but I can't believe I did that. I've been very good at being patient recently, but it got me. It got me when it bounced like this. And I should have the double top, dude. I said it, double top. It got me, boys. It got me. Nothing worse than waking up and being wrecked immediately on those overnights. Yeah, but it happens. But also waking up and then making a lot of money happens too. And now SPY's dumping.
Got $40 off now. Be
Got
patient,
40 off
DZ.
now. Be patient, DZ. Bro, you deserve it, bro. You really deserve it. I'm gonna try to be patient, brother. I'm down 100 on SPY. Fuck. I'm down 100 on SPY. I'm just gonna see what happens. I might have to add money or something. I'm just gonna wait and see now. My dumbass knows better, dude. We also have reports that there is no dilution. I have to confirm this. But according to voting profile for annual meeting, no more dilution for the next year, according to the voting profile. If SPY doesn't bounce off 735, I'm fucked. This is where I was looking to buy to go long again. I'm so stupid. It came down to my target and everything. Amy might try to get this bounce, y'all. Now it's getting a decent bounce back to the upside. If now breaks this red trend line, it's going to go bullish again. Yeah, I'm down a hundo on SPY. Down 92 on SPY. Down 92 on SPY. I knew to wait for the retest. If I would have bought here too, look, I'd have been up already. I knew to wait for the retest, man. If you buy here, you'll be fine. Now it's pumping back to the upside. I went long now. I went long now. I went long now. I have a now contract. I have a now contract. We're up 15%. Yeah, look, dude, if you bought the 735 retest, you're up already. I'm looking for now to go back to 110. 110, 111, especially if it breaks this red trend line. Now it's trying to flip back bullish. Now it's trying to flip back bullish. I went long now. Amy back at 270. Amy's gonna try to go. She's gonna try to go today. Down 105 on SPY. I might be fully cooked on this call option.
Eyes emoji.
Yo, Kai Supreme, thank you. I'm cooked. I'm full cooked. I'm also down on now. I'm full cooked, fam. Full cooked. I still think SPY gets a bounce. I would love to buy right now. I really would love to double down. I really fucking would. I wish I could. If I had the money, I would double down right now on God. On God, bro. I would double down right now. And I think now's going to go back up a lot. Not financial advice. Maybe. Gotta be careful. I did an out the date, so out the money, John, so it's not that much money. It's gonna at least go back to 109, 110, so I'll sell there. I got a 114 call option. I don't know if it's gonna go all the way to 114 unless it breaks back above 112. Then we're definitely gonna moon. I'm just gonna see what happens. I got a 1 day call. 114. Bro, SPY buying right now, man. I wish I had the fucking dry powder to buy right now on SPY, dude. I would double down on this bitch. I know SPY is going to go back up. Well, you never know for sure, but I know SPY is going to go back up. I know every rally fizzles out, but I think this is different. I think we reached a fucking capitulation point right here. I think we're going to pump. I think SPY is going to pump. It should pump all the way to 740, 742. Maybe even 745. So I think I'm going to be okay. It's just scary. To be honest with you guys, though, I'm not too worried about it. If I lose it, I lose it. I'll take what I have left and pick up the pieces and make it work. I've done it before and I'll do it again. I think now is bottoming. I think that's what this is. Very dangerous to buy here, but I think now is bottoming. We should see a push up to like 109, 110. I'm thinking 110 plus. We'll see. I got everything on the line right now, though, so I'm kind of in a bad spot. I shouldn't have did this. I freaking FOMO'd in. I knew to wait for the 735 retest. That's what makes me so disappointed in myself. It's like, bro, you even know to do the right thing and you did the wrong thing. I got greedy too because I was going to try to cash in and out real fast and then come back in. I got greedy. I was in the fucking green too right here. I didn't pay attention. I was up like 10, 20 bucks. Could have cashed out. I would wait until we break back above 735.62. And if we broke back above 735.62, I would go long. I'm about to just load more money and do it. That way I make all my money back and then I can put it back. It's risky, but I'm that dude when it comes to that shit. Let me stop talking shit, though, before the market humble me. I want to load up. And just fucking full send. Get another SPY call. Let me see how much it will be. If I can get one for like 150, I'm fucking doing it. Or I average down on the position I have. No, I want a separate position. Guys, it is storming really bad, so we might get a cutout. I mean, you can get like a 739 or a 740 for 150, 155. If I load up now, it will be ready. And if we break back above the 735.62, I could go long. I don't want to stress myself out any more than I need to. I know this trade will work, though. That's what's going to piss me off the most. I hate having the foresight that I have because I literally know I can load up right now and flip. But I don't want the stress. Because you see it, man? You see it? Load up, man. It's breaking back above. Clean. This is very much what you want to see. Let's get this face cam on. I have two options. Double down. Or let's get the face cam on so it's a little bit better show. Just wait and try to make my money back. I'm down. 99 bucks, man. 43%. And the account is tied up right now. No liquidity left, so we are all in on options. Very scary. I think now's about to come back strong. SPY's going to come back, dude. SPY's going to come back. QQQ's double bottoming. It's going to come all the way back. I know it. I just got to wait. It's going to come all the way back. See, but if I just waited and waited for down here, and you don't even have to buy yet. You can wait until you're sure. Like I can wait till the MACD goes green again on the 3-minute and the 5-minute, giving me more confirmation. I can wait until SPY breaks back above 735.62 and is holding that level. Once I see all of that, that will give me so much confidence that yes, we're about to go all the way back up It's going to go to at least 738, but I'm reckoning that SPY is about to go for a 740 push is what I'm thinking is going to happen here. After what I just seen, dude, I know the markets, man. You guys can believe what you want, do what you want. I see exactly what the fuck just happened. We just had a clean break above 735 support. 735 was the key level I was going to be watching all day because I know if you are above this level, if you hold this level today, you go long. Go long. As soon as we broke it, we played a call in the morning. Boom. We held it. Boom. We played call in the morning. That jump printed. Now we need to wait to see if we hold this level. And if we do, like I'm predicting, you're going to see a launch all the way back up to 738, 739, possibly even 740 or higher. If we break and hold 740, we launch. We launch 741, 742 easily. From what I'm seeing here on the macro, there is a good chance that we do a 740 push. We just rejected though here, so it's very scary. We could dump all the way back down for sure. I don't think that's going to happen, but like I'm trying to just like tell you how serious it is if we don't hold 735. It's not, it would be not good, and I would be probably toast for sure on this contract. If we hold the 735 exactly, so this is why if you're going to trade it, so if I were to load up right now, I would wait. I would wait until I see green MACD 5 minute and 3 minute, and I would wait until we see, and that's how I would trade perfectly, and like I did yesterday when I was patient and traded the reversal. It dumped all day, and we skillfully traded the reversal several times to the upside before FOMC and meeting and the rate hikes, or the rates. We were supposed to wait till here. We did a call in the morning. We were already up on the day, and we were supposed to wait to here and then wait until we see confirmation that we're going to hold it. And if we do, we buy. I did not do that. I FOMO'd in at the fucking top. What the fuck? That is the last time I make that mistake, bro. That is the last time Bro, I'm going to trade like a fucking robot, man. I'm going to trade like a robot, bro. No emotions, bro. The chart, it means nothing. I wait. And I seen the double top, bro. I knew I had to get out of that position as soon as possible. I fucking played around with it. That's another dumb thing I did. So, mistakes. Recap on mistakes that I made here. I FOMO'd in. I got greedy because I tried to get a quick scalp here on the top. I wasn't paying attention. I was playing around with it. And I seen the double top, so I literally knew I had to get out on if I seen any green at all, get the fuck out and wait and come back in down here. I did not do that. So now we have two options. We can wait to see what we get here, and if we get the bounce, and we can either double down or wait and see if we get all of our money back and make profit, which I think is very possible, to be honest with you guys. That's why I'm actually not too worried. I'm pretty confident that SPY is going to bounce around this level here. I know it's under it right now, but that's just part of the process. And then we'll go back above it and push up. I mean, I could be wrong, but we'll see here in about it. The answer will be revealed here in about, what is it, 11:28? It's going to be revealed about 30 minutes to an hour. We will know for sure what's happening or what happened. A little bit, we do have some decent bearish momentum, but we have a strong bullish uptrend right now. I mean, that thing is strong. But IWM made a bear flag. That's very scary. Looks like we're finding a little bit of a bottom, but we could the bottom could definitely fall out. Gotta be careful. What's oil doing? Creeping back up. You motherfucker, dude. You bastard. Oil's creeping back up. That is not good. All right, so we definitely don't double down. We just wait. We definitely don't double down. We just wait. We just wait. I kind of want to put the money in the account just in case it does go back above like I'm thinking, though. Because if it starts following my prediction, that means it's going to do what I'm saying. And it's going to push up. It's going to go even higher. It's going to make a new high. I think I was looking at Apple. Apple might rip for earnings, man. It's scary, though, to play Apple in the earnings. Now it's coming back. I'm going to keep an eye on that. 109, baby. 109.44. We're going for it. If we break this trend line, now it's going to pump. So this one's a little bit more of a gamble. I went out the money, so it's not as expensive. But it now looks really good for recovery. If we break this trend line, though, it's going to pump. It's going to pump all the way back up to the 111, 112. It's going to do, if it goes like this, it's going to go all the way back up. Yeah, 114. It's going to go up a lot. So this could be a big winner if I'm right. I'm going to hold on to it for a second. I'm going to try to sell it by the end of the day. I'm not going to hold it overnight. Because if it goes to 114, my shit will be like damn near in the money and I'll turn 50 into 300 and something. SPY is a little bit scary right now. I'm just going to let that go. If I'm cooked, I'm cooked. You know, that's how I roll. I got to trust myself on this one, bro. I think we're coming back, but I could be mega cooked and lose $230. My account was at 300, bro. I fucked up by doing this. And I was being so careful. I kind of want to just make a flip when I see it starting to recover here. I already see it doing it. I kind of want to get ready because if I load up now, I'll be ready for when it breaks back above it. I could do a quick flip on it. We're not done yet, baby. We're not done yet. Yeah, we're not done yet. We're going to come right back, baby. I don't see anything wrong here. If SPY gets back above 735.62, I'm chilling. Chilling. I want to load up. Look at it. Let me see what we're doing on the 3-minute. We're starting to get green yet? Not yet. Not yet. Let's wait for the 3. Let's wait for the 3. We might have to load up, man. This is just a little money, man. Let's go. Come on. Scared money don't make money, bro. Let's load something up real quick. Man, chill. I'm like fighting with myself here. Because I know this thing's going to pump, man. All I need to do is see it get back above the 735.62, man. That's a trade. You're going to hold that and pump. Just calm down. We already have a lot on the line, and we need to, if we blow it all up, we're going to need to refund the account. All right, now it's starting to curl up here. I was going to flip and put it back like I've been doing. I just recently put back a total of, I put 272 back yesterday. And I just put back 30 today. So that's $302 that I put back. I will redeploy it, though, if necessary. Hopefully, once again, putting it back. That's the plan. Look, QQQ looks like it's about to fucking pump, dude. I could easily make a flip here. SPY and QQQ are going to come back, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, bruh. This is a trade. I just don't have the liquidity. I'm stuck in a trade, but it's going to bring my trade back. This is a fucking trade, boys. As soon as QQQ breaks that trend line. Look, look, look. Look at SPY. Yeah. 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 Yeah, baby. Double bottom on that bitch, too. Double bottom on that bitch, too. We're going all the way back up. We're going all the way back up. All the way back up. All the way back up. Going all the way back up. Yeah. Watch this shit. I'm coming back on this trade, I'm telling you. I was down over 150, bruh. We're coming back on that fucking bitch. Still down 100. Watch. We're coming back on the whole fucking thing. And look, if I would have bought, boom. Coming back, man. I'm leaving that on the sideline. I'm leaving the 3 on the sideline, but I will redeploy if necessary. I think we're going to come back on the trade, so I'm just going to wait. I think we're going to come full back on this thing. I think SPY's going to a new high, bro, today. Once SPY starts pumping, it's going to help Now push up. Now is going to fucking rip 110, 112. And I got a call, baby. I think it's not in the it's not green yet. I'm down $6 on it, but that's going to change here in a second. AMC's back at 270. AMC's coming back like I thought. AMC's coming back like I thought, man. I wanted to grab that contract. I don't have the liquidity right now. I have to stay low liquidity and add when and take money out. I have to. And that way I take it more seriously. Look at SPY. Look at fucking SPY go. And I knew QQQ was going to rip too. I just said it. Yeah. QQQ is going to rip all. QQQ for sure is going to rip to a new high, bro. I'm telling you right now, bro. QQQ for sure is about to rip to a new high. We still got the shares on AMI. We still got the shares on AMI. AMI might do the 275 push today because we came down, like I said. And this is why you need to retest the lows. Remember I said retesting the lows is better. We came down to 262. This is exactly what we talked about, baby. And now we can go for a safe 275 push. I grabbed 0 DTE when it tapped 734.70. It's a trade, bro. This is a trade. SPY is going to come back. It's going to come all the way back, dude. QQQ for sure. I'm positive. Like, QQQ is going to go all the way back up, bro. It's going to take some time, but I think we're going all the way back up. That's also kind of why I wasn't worried about buying a call dated for tomorrow, because I figured that SPY is so bullish that it's going to like 730, 745, 742 when it's all said and done. Like by tomorrow's close, SPY will have hit 742, 745. I think it's actually trying to go bullish a little bit, and it will fizzle. The rally will fizzle out, but I think we're gonna get a decent rally. So I'm just going to chill in case I need to refund the account. But I think SPY is going to bounce all the way back up. So my call date for tomorrow should be fine when it's all said and done. Should be. But the thing is, I could have made way more. It doesn't matter. I could have made way more money if I just bought down here like I wanted and waited patiently for the setup. That's the issue. And I need to acknowledge that because SPY's about to rip. And I even had the prediction on the screen, dude. Do you see it? Like, come on, bro. You have to follow your prediction, my friend. You have to, bro. SPY's about to rip, like, right fucking now, dude. Amy's pushing! Amy's pushing! She's gonna do the 275 push. She came down for the liquidity. I told you we can pump once we come down for the liquidity. 262 low. If SPY pumps, Amy's gonna go nuts. SPY finna come back. SPY finna come back. Amy pushing. If she break 275, it's on. If she break 275, it's on. Now trying to push. Now trying to push. Got it now. Got it now. Got it now. Amy trying to go green on today. Amy trying to go green on today. I doubled down on SPY. I doubled down on SPY.
Eyes emoji.
Kai Supreme! Spy pumpy, spy pumpy, spy pumpy, spy pumpy, spy pumpy. Double down on spy. Double down on spy. We're up, and we're about to be up on now. Double down on spy. Still down 74 on the big trade. We're gonna flip and put back. Now pumping. Now pumping. We're about to be up on her now. If it breaks the red trend line, it's going to pump. I'm waiting for the red trend line break. All right, we're up on our SPY contract. I think SPY's about to pump. I think SPY's about to pump, and then I'm going to use my other contract as a runner. All right, we're up on our now contract. And then we're going to use our other contract as a runner. We're up pretty good on the double down. I think SPY's going to come all the way back up. Oil's coming back down a little bit. VIX and the dollar are down, bullish. And we had good PCE. It was lower than the previous, and it was in line with the consensus. GDP came out bad. Personal income, good. Personal spending, good. Want to see if Amy could break and hold 275. Just be patient. And let the plan play out. Be patient and let the plan play out.
Yo, bro, what's up with that beat?
We got a huge spike when Amy ripped. Oh shit, I gotta turn the ads down. We got 50 gifted, bro. Everyone thank Kai Supreme. Ads going way down. Ads going way down to absolute minimum. Kai Supreme been showing crazy amount of love. Multiple super chats today. On top of that, 50 gifted, guys. If you were one of the people that got gifted, please thank this man. So SPY's trying to go back bullish on the 5-minute time frame. Once we do, we should pump. I'm up on the SPY call. I'm up on it. I'm trying to get 150 out of it. I bought it at 112. Okay, SPY, nice pump. I'm going to use my other call option as a runner. I'm at 130. I'm trying to get 150. That's $20 more. I don't know if that's being greedy or not. I might have to sell this thing. Because I'm doubled down right now. I don't want to be too crazy. I'm at 132. I think I can get 150 for it. Come on, baby. 150. Give me the 150. 150, baby. That's where my sell order's at. 150. I'm already up $20 though. I'm already up $20. We're at 133 market cap. We're trying to get to 150. I don't know if I should just take profits. I don't know if I'm being greedy or not. But I think I'm good. We're going to try to get 150 out of it. I got the 150 limit order. See, everyone's bullish, though. That's what scares me. The market never does what everyone thinks. I don't know, man. We just used the 20 moving average as support. We could get a nasty pump. We just used the 20 moving average as support on the 10 and the 15-minute time frame. I think SPY's going to rip, dude. I'm holding. And then I have my other contract as a runner. I'm down 67 on the other contract. Once we get to the 150 market cap, I'll be down like like 47 or 37. Somewhere around there if we get to the 150 market cap on the contract that I have now. And then I can put, I took 150 out of my account. I can put 150 back, and I'll still have money left over if this trade works. I took 150 out of my account. That's why I want to get 150, because I'll turn 112 in the 150 if this trade works. All we need is one more push. If we get one more push on SPY, we'll be straight. SPY looks bullish though, dude. If SPY goes to 738, it'll make it. I got this thing locked in, man. Now is creeping for that trend line. If now breaks it, it's gonna pump. I'm 100% committed to this trade. Oh no, SPY dumping. QQQ rejected from trendline. QQQ is what's leading this rally. We need to see QQQ back above this level right now, and then I'll be very confident. $132 market cap right now. 134. Spy Rippy. It's gonna make it. It's gonna make it. We gotta get the 150. Come on, baby. Come on, give me it, baby. Please, I need this win. I need this. Come on, baby. It's gonna make it. Come on. If QQQ breaks this, dude, we're definitely going back up, man. So Amy just rejected from the 275. That level's so key, man. We have to break above it. If you hold it, though, Amy's going to pop. I'm telling you right now. Amy will pop if she holds it. 140 market cap. We're so close. We're so close. We're so fucking close, dude. We just hit 140 market cap. So if SPY goes like the 738, we're Gucci. And we're only down 50 on the other trade. And we're up 25 on this trade. On the double down. We're at 138 market cap. 140. We just hit 140 market cap. $10 more, boys. $10 more. Can we get it? 144. 148. Come on, baby. Yes! Woo! 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 And we caught the pump. And I have a runner. And I have a runner. Woo! Caught the pump because we were patient. We knew what we were looking for. The fucking prediction tracked. Double down, baby. Woo! And we're about to come all the way back on this other trade. And I could put the whole 150 back and have money left over now. I have I have 198 buying power, almost 200. That was a flip, baby. That was a fucking flip. We're only down 34 on the other trade now. So if Spy pumps the rest of the way, we'll cash out on that bitch too. But I'm holding because I'm bullish on Spy. I think Spy's going to go to like 741, 742, to be honest with you guys. This now calls out the money. So it's like not moving the way it should. I need now to really pump in order for that call to play out. But I think I'll be okay. We'll see here. If now can break above that trend line, we will get a recovery. We'll see. I have a call dated for tomorrow. It's just like a kind of a YOLO call, basically. All right, so if we come back on that other trade, we will have lots of buying power and lots of extra cash. We just did that thing, boys. We waited and waited and waited, and we got the price target, man. Spy hit one, and I was right around where it had to be. I said 738. I said if it goes 738, we'll get it. I think we caught that whole pump. It didn't sell to like way up here. It was 738 plus. So we caught that move, baby. You guys heard the beep. I didn't. It had to be 738 plus. It had to be. We caught that, John. All right, so we're down 48 on the other one still, but I think that one can come back. We wanted a specific amount, and we got it. We wanted a very specific amount. We wanted to turn 100 or 112 into 150, and we did. If I bought sooner, it could have been 100 into a 50. If I bought down here, like I was saying. The double bottom gave me confidence. Bottom one, bottom two, then the break back above 735. I knew we were going to pump back up. I think Spy's going to 740, 741, 742, to be honest with you guys. I see everybody's in the Discord asking questions. The king just came in and announced. Sorry, guys. I didn't see that. But I was live telling you guys what was going on. I told you guys I was very confident that Spy would pump all the way back up if we held 735. I even bought a call and doubled down. Why didn't you get in with me? And I'm holding a fucking call. That should tell you something right now. I'm holding another call. Cost me $230 fucking. I'm getting that all back plus some. Promise you. I just paid $112 for the call that I played just now. It was a call dated for tomorrow, but it was out the money. I was 741. If I'd have did it closer in the money, I'd have made even more money. But I didn't want to risk I wanted to risk less. So I picked a 741. And I didn't want the same position. No, I'm in a 741, so I picked a 7... What was it? I think it was a 740. It was a 740. It was a 740 call option. So I bought a 740. And if we make all of our money back, that will put us at like 80 in the green. 80 or 100 in the green for today. If we make all of our money back, it'll put us like 80 or 100 into the green. So we'll see what happens. I'm holding this call option now. AMC looks good, but I'm getting scared it's not breaking above. I want to go long. Oh, here. I got you guys. This is easy as fuck. AMC is going past 175 today. Or 275 today. Do any of you guys dare me to buy back into AMC? This is the last consolidation day. We're going to break it by today or tomorrow. This is the last consolidation day. So this is the last day you have to accumulate before it breaks out. Yeah, dude, AMC's fucking gonna pump, bro. Especially if Spy comes back. If Spy comes back, AMC's gonna pump, dude. I was thinking about doing QQQ for the second trade. QQQ went crazy, and I think it's going to go even higher. It's going to... Once QQQ pumps, it's going to take Spy. My call is going to get... I'm telling you, bro. I'm going to make all the money back. I'm telling you right now. I'm fucking telling you guys right now, dude. I could have held that other call for even more money. I'm telling you. But I'm trying not to be greedy. QQQ is 100% making a new high today. Bro, QQQ call right now. QQQ call right fucking now, bro. Not financial advice. Spy is going to 740, 741, bro. I'm trying to tell you guys. I'm giving this away for free. I put it in the Discord, but listen. I'm trying to be generous today, okay? I'm trying to give. I'm telling you right now, Spy is going to 740 and QQQ is about to explode. If you don't take advantage of it, it's your fucking fault. QQQ is already ripping since when I called it out. It's whatever, bro. I'm helping everyone today. Not just the Discord. My contract's coming all the way back. I told you. I'm only down 15 bucks on the contract now. 10 bucks. I'm about to be in. I'm only down 20 bucks on the contract on the SPY. So I'm about to be back in profit on the SPY contract. Once SPY rips, AMC's gonna fucking pump past 275. Watch. Watch. And QQQ's fucking pumping, exactly like I said. It's pumping. I called it out down here. It's been pumping ever since. And QQQ makes money. That move is a lot of money. That little move right there is a lot. So I'm blessing people right now. I'm blessing people, bruh. We're only down 1750 on the SPY call. Bro, I was 150 in the red. Had the double down. Had the double down on it. I knew we were going all the way back up. That's why I held that other call until I got my target, because I knew that was I knew that target was being generous. I knew I could have got more, but I was like 150. That's why I just waited and waited and waited and waited. Also because I had the other call as a runner too. I cashed it out because I know I'm going to make more money as it continues up. I'm going to make all my money back and then profit here shortly. In fact, I'm just going to put in a sell order for it. Actually, let's just get greedy with it. It's like, nah, let me stop. Let me stop. Let me stop. Let me get greedy with it. Hold it till tomorrow. I'm only down $14 now. Look at this rip. I'm about to be green on that call. That out the now, Jones, out the money. Guys, it's storming really bad here. I might lose power. I need now to pump. Okay, now it's kind of been... No, bro, I bought that joint way down here, man. I should be up. It's because it's out the money, man. I need now to pump. Once now breaks this trend line, it will be worth it. It should be worth it. I was up like 10 bucks or 15 bucks on that thing, though. I should have cashed out when it hit here. I should have cashed out and came back or something. It was only 50 bucks. Once it breaks this trend line, though, it should be worth it because it will get closer to being in the money. It should go past 110 to 111. I might be in the green. I'm only down $4, $2. I'm about to be in the green. We're down $6. That's nothing on a SPY call. So we need SPY to go to like 730, 739, 50 to 740, and we'll make money. So SPY, I think SPY's going to 740. So I should hold to that, but I'll hold since it's already a precarious position. If SPY hits 739.50, I'm cashing out to 740. That's my cash out point on this guy. Because I honestly think SPY is going to 741, 742 before tomorrow's close. But I think it's going to probably do it today. So I'm just saying before tomorrow's close to be safe. But I think 742 is coming today. So if SPY hits 739.50, 740, we're cashing out. AMC, same thing. We need to break above 275, but I think that's going to happen today. We're getting green MACDs on multiple time frames. We're breaking back above the 20 moving average on multiple time frames. There's a key level here at like, I can't get the thing on it. It's 272. Remember I said if we hold that level, I'll go long again. 272. If we hold 272, Amy will pump. And then if we break and hold 275, you'll like, you'll go straight to 285, 290, like I said, really quickly. You'll gain. It's breaking above it now. Yo, AMC is about to fucking pump, I'm telling you. Now that we came down, remember I said we'll come down and come back up in the video? I said there's a scenario where we pump in the morning and come down and then pump, but I said that's probably not what's going to happen. What most likely is going to happen is we're going to come down and then push up. Now look what happened. We came down and pushed up, and everybody's like, I don't want to come down. I don't want to come down. Yeah, wait till you see what happens after we do this, because we came down and tested the lows. Wait till you see what the fuck happens now. Now Amy can pump. Your boy knows his shit, man. God damn, we're almost at $500. We're up $38. $38, that would be 40, 50. So we'd be up like 80 as long as if both trades work out. Like if now pushes back up. Hopefully it does. I might be fucked. I went on an out the money, John, but I did call it out down here. So anybody who bought in did do fine and had time to cash out, but I might be fucked on this out the money, John. It only cost me $50 though. If now breaks this trend line, though, it's going to pump, and it looks really good. It looks really good for recovery, and it's going to recover between the rest of today and tomorrow. That's why holding overnight might be worth it or now. It's going to be risky because options decay, and the options are dated for tomorrow's close, but it might be worth it because now it's going to start recovering between now and tomorrow. Tell them, DZ. I'm trying to. Only if they hear me, bro. Only if they hear me. I can lead a horse to water. I can't make him drink. Just like I said, SPY would come all the way back. Just like I doubled down, risking everything. You think I risk everything for nothing? You think I'm crazy? No. No. Everything I do had a reason. You think I was holding being greedy? Nah, I could have made more. I knew 150 market cap was nothing because we were going all the way back up. Now I got this other contract left as a runner. I'm about to put the limit order in. It cost me $230. I'm about to put the limit order for $250. And just leave it. I don't think that's asking too much. We're going at 740 plus, bitches. I mean, I could be wrong and get toasted and should have cashed out, but I don't think that's the case. I think we might pull back a little bit, but from what I see, SPY's going to 742. Hell yeah. We just got a 5-bomb from Get Rich Together. SPY's about to fucking pump. I see it. The band's just revealed SPY pump. And SPY tracked perfectly with my prediction, by the way. Thank you, Get Rich Together. So SPY tracked perfectly with this prediction. Now I have this prediction. It's raining really bad. I might lose power if the stream cuts out. I'm sorry, guys. I'm almost certain it's going to cut out. It's raining really bad. It's like literally a hurricane out. Watch it cut out right as AMC pumps. Please don't cut out. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I just got logged out. I got logged out. Why the fuck did it log me out? It never does that mid. Why did it just log me out like that? Someone trying to log into my shit? They're doing everything and everything, anything and everything to try to keep us from having AMC pump, huh? Yeah, no worries for sure, but dude, we had a 50 gifted. You guys hear that thunder? You guys hear it? I don't know if you can hear it over the music. It's thundering bad. It's going. The whole house is shaking right now. Okay, if QQQ gets the pump that I'm looking for, SPY will definitely go to 741. 740 plus. I'm holding my contract, bro. I don't think I'm being greedy. I think I just know what I'm doing and I have to trust myself. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I don't give a fuck. If I'm wrong, I was wrong trusting myself. And I'd rather be wrong trusting myself. But I trusted myself on the double down. And I know today is very obvious. It's like some days are more obvious than others. Today is very obvious that it's going to go up. There's so many bullish signals. It's not like it's mixed signals. Every fucking time frame is bullish. Every time frame. We just retested the 20 moving average. We're about to get Green MACD back on 10-minute time frame on QQQ. That's massive, bro. And look at this pump we got, man. We're up 3%, dude. And SPY's up 1%. That's huge. How was I so stupid, though? I knew the retest of the 735 was coming and the buy there, and I didn't wait. I would have been bitching all day if I didn't double down. I'd have been bitching all day if I didn't double down on that shit and make some money on the way up. I had to. You can't pass an opportunity like that up. Like, that was an opportunity. You see how much it ran in how little time? I knew it was going to pump all the way back up if we held 735. That's all we had to do. And I knew we would pump all the way back up. So, dude, that's a 0.50% move. If you bought the bottom, it's even more. And it made a double bottom. Bottom one, bottom two. So if I didn't play that move, I would have been pissed at myself. Now options are premium. Once I bought the contract, I'm already down $25. Jesus. It's worth it though, bro, because if the trade goes your way, it makes so much so fast. It's getting a little bit bearish short term, and we're rejecting. I think we'll pull back in the short term, but I think it's going to be well worth it if I just hold this contract. Bro, and don't worry, if now does what I think it's going to do, it's going to be worth it, okay? So just, again, I'm not trying to tell you what to do, and you have to make your own decisions. But if now does what I think it's going to do, anyone buying underneath this red line, it's going to be very worth it. If I'm wrong, we'll all get toasted together. So you can have, you can take solace in the fact that you're getting toasted with your boys, okay? I see the power flickering. Guys, I'll try to come back on, guys. I'll try to come back on. Apple and Amazon earnings. I see the power flickering already. It's going to go. Florida, I'm sorry, is notorious for power outages when the storms hit hard. It just goes for a second, too. Just enough to cut the live out. I'll come back on as soon as possible. Watch it be right when AMC pumps, too. Watch. DZ won't reimburse you when now tanks. First of all, I never call my viewers names. My viewers are my livelihood, and I respect my viewers. I love my viewers. Okay, maybe I was greedy. Maybe fucked. Maybe I'm fucked. Nah, I don't think so. I think we just need a little bit of pullback because we ran so much already. Just gonna hold on and wait. I'm gonna hold on and wait. Hopefully I'm not wrong though. There is always that chance that I'm wrong. Hopefully that's not the case, because I got 240 on the line still, motherfucker. And that's a decent chunk of change, if you ask me. $240. Don't want to lose that. No, sir. No, sir. You just gotta be patient. Yeah, you gotta be patient. Yeah. Oh, bro, it's going to pull back right now. I'm telling you that now. It's going to pull. Look at the dotted line. Look what the dotted line's telling you. SPY is going to pull back right now. But, bro, you have to just listen to what I'm saying. I'm giving out freebies that I only give in the Discord. Price targets with time frames. SPY is going to 740. Up the power to. Please stay up. It's fighting to stay on. Did the internet cut out? Please don't cut out. Please. Listen, bro. I'm giving away a freebie. Price target with time frame. SPY is going to 741. Oh, I'll say that to be safe. 740 plus by tomorrow's close. I honestly think it's happening today, but I think by tomorrow's close, we'll be 740 plus. We'll have hit 740 plus. So that means if you buy a contract now, and it's dated for further than tomorrow at the soonest, but you really want it longer than that, you will be fine. If you buy a 0 DTE, you might get screwed. Spend the extra chunk of change and get the day. And QQQ, I believe, is going to 682. It already went to 682. It's going to 682, 683 again. Not financial advice. But first we have to pull back because we just had a huge rip. I'm down $22 on the contract. We came this far. I was down 150. So I think the storm's passing a little bit. I'm only down $11, and I think the storm's passing a little bit. Just a little bit. I think we got through the worst of it. It doesn't sound like it's directly over top of me. I'm telling you right now, though, SPY pumps, it's going to make Amy go. It's still close because I'm seeing lightning and hearing thunder right away, but it's not as close. Oh my God, they're fucking with Apple. I think Apple's gonna pump for earnings, but I could be wrong. RSI is trending up, dude. Apple's gonna rip, bro. Now's breaking the trend line. Now's breaking the trend line. It's gonna pump. I can't believe we got 50 gifted today. Kai Supreme, you're a living legend, bro. You're a living legend. Sunny GG, thank you. Just got here. Make sure you hit the like. Cut your losses. What stock are you in, brother? Okay, hopefully QQQ picks back up, though, because SPY's not going to pump without QQQ. We need to watch QQQ. I need QQQ to break above this trend line. We need to watch QQQ. We might pull back further than I want. I mean, I can't control the market, but we need to watch QQQ here. It's going to be very important. QQQ looks like it's about to pull back more than I think, or more than I want. I wanted it to consolidate more around these levels. If we can break above this, we'll be okay. And then we need to get QQQ needs to break back above 681. I need QQQ back above 681. We need that. We need that for SPY. Fuck! I knew it, dude. Fuck. SPY's gonna dump. Motherfuck. I have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait. I'm still holding, but I'm gonna wait. It's literally a flood right now. The pool's flooding. I'm back down 50 again, just like that. Just like that. I'm still waiting though. I'm holding on. We might dump way more than this though, than I'm saying here. I'm gonna leave this prediction, but SPY looks like it might dump way more than I'm saying. In fact, it's not might, it's... I might as well delete this pic. I'm gonna leave it just because every time I delete the prediction, it happens. But it looks like SPY is gonna dump way lower than I'm saying. Maybe another test of 735, which would be horrible for me, but and probably I would probably be toasted at that point. Even if we hold 735 again. That's going to kind of invalidate my thesis. We need to make a higher low in order to do what I'm saying is going to happen. I mean, if we did retest 735 again, there is a huge chance we could just pump back up. I guess I should say if we lose 735, I'm cooked for sure. But I'm willing to hold. I'm going to leave this prediction on screen. And I'm willing to hold. No, but it is scary that we topped out right at that level. That's very bad. We need to make a higher low. That's the very... See, because this, like you said, the double top, it's very, 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 very important that SPY, if it does come down, makes a higher low and not go back to 735. It's actually important that we don't go back to 735. If we hold 735, it will be okay, but we don't even want to go to 735. What we want SPY to do now, as bulls, is we want SPY at maximum to come down to like 737, 730, 736.50 at the low end. We really want SPY just to hold these levels and then push up, which I think is very plausible. I honestly am not that concerned. The moving average is curling up here on the 5-minute time frame. We just went back bullish on the 5-minute time frame. 10-minute time frame's green. 15-minute time frame's green. This just is that same topping at that same level is very concerning, though. I will say that. That's not something we should not ignore. Or that's not something we should ignore. Topping at that very same level, almost in the very same way, something you need to be aware of. But we are above the 20 moving average here on the hourly time frame. We used it as resistance, and now we broke back above it. Very bullish. We're about to break above the 20 moving average on the 4-hour time frame. Very bullish. So I'm going to go ahead and just hold on. I'm just going to go ahead and hold on. And then hopefully now I think I'm going to draw the prediction. I think we're about to get them a move here on now, heading in the close. Hopefully SPY pushes up, and that would be very great for now to make this move. It might take till power hour, but it might take till power hour. Till now.